Hello and happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to FAQ Friday. And this is the series where I am tackling your most frequently asked questions. Today's question is, what is my favorite thing about being a software engineer? And I couldn't really come up with one thing, so I came up with a few. So let's go ahead and discuss them. So the first thing that I really love about being a software engineer is the flexibility. Not only is there a lot of flexibility in where you can work, whether you work from home or work remotely or do a hybrid sort of situation that I know is really popular with some people these days, there's also a lot of flexibility in the capacity in which you can work and the industries that you can work in. For instance, in web development, I'm pretty sure every company out there just about needs web development and web development products. So you can take your same skill set, whether you use HTML, CSS, React, and maybe like a backend library, and you can take those skills anywhere at just about any company and in any industry as well. So I love that one skill set can take you so far in this industry. The second thing I really love is that technology is constantly evolving. For somebody who loves to learn like I do, that's really awesome because I am always learning something new. Technology is always keeping me on my toes, and I'm never getting like 100% too comfortable or complacent because there's always something else I can learn. Because technology is constantly evolving, that means that there are always lots of new opportunities as well. But on the flip side of that, with things sort of constantly evolving, that sort of makes the barrier to entry for the technology industry a little bit higher and way more difficult, on top of the interview process for new developers already being difficult. So I can totally see how this could be a good thing and a bad thing. I think once you have your foot in the door, the fact that tech is constantly changing is more of a good thing, but I also acknowledge it can be a bad thing as well. So the third thing I love is the ability for anybody to create life-changing technology. So if we look at where technology was 20 years ago and the people that had access to create technology, I feel like it was a much smaller subset or a much smaller group of people that had the access and the know-how to create specific technology. But today, technology is more open and available for everyone. And with everything being on the internet, there is much more availability for anybody really to learn any technology or learn any programming language and create technology that impacts everyone's life. Especially today, as we have what scientists back in the day might consider supercomputers in our pocket. It is so easy to create technology and basically have it in everybody's hand or in everybody's pocket. It all comes down to execution and what you want to create. And the fourth and last thing that I really, really love, well, I shouldn't say last because there are more things that I love about being a software engineer, but I narrowed down my list. Of course, I would be lying if I said that I really like the income that you can earn as a software engineer, and not even in a luxury sense, but just the ability for the income that people who are software engineers or people who work in tech can receive. It really can bring people to a place where they're just comfortable. And that's sort of like what's happened to me. I am just in a place where I'm comfortable right now and not having to worry about a ton of things, and just having this lead me to financial freedom is sort of like a burden that comes off of your shoulders. So that's something that I really love as well. But I really want to know from you, what are your favorite things about being a software engineer? Or what are your favorite things about being a developer so far if you're on your coding journey? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and check out the description to check out a link and fill out a little form where you can send me your questions and I'll make a video just like this. So until next time, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.